Okay, they want us to find f of g of x and g of f of x and f of f and g of g. So they want us to find all of those combinations. So f, let's start with f of f. Let me be careful, it's not f times f, which is a different thing. It's f composed with f, which equals f of x written like this. And here's how I always do these problems. I start by writing my function, in this case 3, but instead of writing x, I leave a big blank there. And I plug in whatever's supposed to be plugged in, which is f of x. So that's your answer. Now, if it can be simplified anymore, you should simplify it, but this actually can't be. So you're done. G of g would be, again, we're gonna think of it as g of x. So we're plugging in whenever I see x rather, I'm writing parentheses. I should have written bigger parentheses because I'm going to have to plug in a pretty big thing into there. So let me try that again. And so inside of here I'm going to plug in g of x, which is again 1 plus x squared, 1 plus x squared, and that's the answer. Now if you wanted to FOIL it out, you can, but I don't want to, so I'm not going to. You could simplify this further. I'll leave that up to you. F of g is, again, f of g of x written that way. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in, I'm going to start writing f of x, but instead of writing the x, I'm going to leave a big old space so I can fit g of x in there. 1 plus x squared. G of f of x is g of f of x, which is g, leave a space, anywhere I see the x, I left a space, and I plug in f of x into there. Now this can simplify pretty easily, so I'll do it. This is plus the square root of 3x plus 3x. And that's your answer for that one. So that's how you do composition of functions.